Hi everyone, Sahira again back with another video, and this video is all about this brand that I have right here, which is called HiSmile. And HiSmile is basically all about teeth whitening. So they had reached out to me and they had sent me this wonderful kit of day and night toothpaste. So in the HiSmile toothpaste box, I received both the day toothpaste as well as the night toothpaste. So basically you will use the day in the day and the night before you sleep, right? So the night toothpaste is really interesting because it actually contains activated charcoal natural whitening. So the toothpaste itself is black in color, which is currently the rage on social media right now. And this is the one that I'm most excited about, which is the teeth whitening kit. So basically when you open it, it gives you this instructional card that tells you how this whole thing works. So you also get this like full card at the back that gives you a comparison of tooth shades. Okay, and you should be progressively moving from day 6 to day 1 in terms of the shade of the tooth. And so when you open the card will actually tell you exactly what to do. So it even tells you what drinks to avoid, such as coffee and tea, as well as red wine, to prevent staining of the teeth. So you can see the card here. So the whole process is fairly easy. What you will get is this LED whitening device, and when you press it, basically you'll see this blue light, and the whole process of whitening actually just takes 10 minutes, which is really fast. And once the 10 minutes are up, you will hear the sound, which is a beeping sound, and the light will actually disappear. So what you need to do is to attach this to the mouthpiece, and you should do it before you even put the liquid on, and it's really easy. All you need to do is push it in, okay, like so, and you will use this liquid that came in the syringes. They gave 3 syringes. You can actually buy the refills once this has finished. So all you need to do is to use 1/4 of product on each side. That's for the top and the bottom of your tooth. So I'm just going to pour 1/4 of it, focusing on the front part of the mouth guard. And the liquid is fairly thick, so it's not going to drop or anything like that. And on the other side. Okay, and so once that is done, I'm just going to put this in my mouth, and in 10 minutes time I'll show you the results. So I took it out and I put on some lipstick, and this is basically how my teeth looks. So I'm not a person who likes to smile on my teeth. I think a lot of my followers know that, so I always go like, that's always me. But I actually have a little bit more confidence to actually like smile more, and like I actually have a little bit more confidence to smile on my teeth, and like if I talk, I'm not so conscious about the color of it. And I actually can tell that there's a lot of difference from the actual first day that I actually used it. So you can see that it's much more whiter, and even with a nude lipstick it still looks white. Nude lipstick can pretty much make any teeth look more yellow than it actually is. So I really love this product, and I've been using it for 6 days. So there's a lot of difference in the teeth, and I think if you continue to use it, I'm very sure that it will get rid of all the yellowness on your teeth. And no doubt this is a sponsored post, but I've never been one who always fake my posts. All my posts are real. If I didn't like it, I wouldn't even like talk about it at all. And the only thing that annoys me the most is all the saliva buildup when you have this piece in your mouth, and then when you want to literally take off the piece, you have to go to the toilet and pull out the piece and literally just spit all the saliva out. Okay, so that's the only annoying thing. But other than that, I actually have no issues with it. It's really amazing product. So if you can, I strongly recommend to get this kit. So like I mentioned, you can even buy the liquid on the website. So those are the refillables. It's really easy to use. All you need is 10 minutes a day, and we pretty much spend a lot of time on social media, looking through Instagram, looking through Facebook, watching videos. So I tell you, 10 minutes to whiten your teeth is really worth it. So do take a look at their website. I will post down the links below, and I hope you enjoyed this review. So take care and talk to you soon. Bye!